There are a lot of skill sets that it takes to run an urban farm, and some individuals have way more skill sets and knowledge in those areas than others, and so it's really nice to have WeRadiate come in, has an extensive amount of knowledge in soil health, in composting, and ways that we can benefit our farm in order to grow the best kind of food, grow the most food that we can for our community.